Okay, so you're in, and now what we want to do is navigate Dalziel. So the first room is the common dining room where you can all hang out, eat, relax. Wi-Fi's in here as well. It's through the whole building. Take a puzzle challenge. Enjoy this space. Room 17 is our new family heritage room. It's a stunning room. And then room 1, opposite that, is a triple room. Rooms 5 to 16 are upstairs. Upstairs, you'll also find individually for male and female separate shared bathrooms. And we also have everything from shared, double, even the queen balcony rooms. Both of those are upstairs. Head back downstairs and you will enter the kitchen, and it has everything you need: utensils, cups, saucers. Please wash up after yourself for the community. Oven, complimentary breakfast. If you open the fridge, there's complimentary milk, tea, coffee, and then walk on through and you'll find the laundry. You have a washer and a dryer. However, if you want to be a little bit more sustainable, we'll go to the garden to hang the laundry as well. But before we do, we are going to go past rooms 2, 3, and 4. And that is the new family value room. And now we're going to pass some more shared bathrooms right there. Plenty for everyone. And then we head out to the garden and the nice garden little settee area where I like to have breakfast. And there's also a garden table and a place to hang your washing. We also have the garden studio out the back here, the garden studio with the ensuite private kitchen and its own private courtyard as well. That's a really special space that we have. So enjoy Dalziel, guys.